Today, Dimple Power will introduce the 600 kilowatt silent Perkins diesel generator set to you. What are its advantages? It is low fuel consumption, stable performance, convenient maintenance, low operation cost and low emission, and is an ideal power equipment for common use and standby. The rated power is 600 kilowatt, and the rotating speed is 1,500 revolutions per minute. It is simple, fast, and economical to install. Good balance, smooth operation, no vibration, low noise, etc. The advantages are considerable. Guangxi Dimple Power Equipment Manufacturing Co., Ltd. is an OEM partner manufacturer of Chinese diesel generator set, authorized by Perkins. Dimple Power has a modern production base, a professional technical research and development team, advanced manufacturing technology, a complete quality management system, and a sound after-sales service guarantee. With a service network throughout the country, provide you with Perkins diesel generator set design, supply, commissioning, and maintenance services. If there is a need to buy diesel generators, Dimple Power must be the right choice.